This YouTube channel gets millions of views each month by posting dark psychology videos. This can completely change your life and make you a lot of money. This other channel right here is doing the same thing as the first channel and getting millions of views. Isn't that impressive? Now let me show you how to make these videos. But before starting, let me show you the end result. Now let's start with the script. We have different ways to do that. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a dark psychology fact. Take the fact and then tell it to describe it. In my case, I tell it to describe gaslighting. Anything similar to the first paragraph is what we're looking for. Now let me show you the other method to get the script. Go to Google and type dark psychology and then enter. Any website, copy any paragraph that's talking about dark psychology. Then go back to ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite the paragraph so you don't get copyright. And this is how you get a viral script for your video. Now let me show you how to copy already existing scripts. Make sure to only copy viral scripts. For example, I'm going to use this page I showed earlier. Click on a viral video.
Ever wished someone would be really into you, always wanting your attention and approval? We're going to talk about a trick called pursuit and withdrawal. Basically, you start by showing lots of...
This is good. So I'm going to the URL and go to DubDub. The link is in the description. Create a free account and then click on Studio. Once in Studio, you want to go to Transcription and then click on the video link icon. Paste the URL you copied and then click on Transcribe. Click on Confirm and then you'll get the script that's already been proven to go viral. Now let's create the voiceover for the script. Go to DubDub again and then click on Studio. This time, you want to click on Text to Speech. Now once you're on this page, paste the script that you just created.
Gaslighting is...
Now play around with the voice and select the one that makes sure it matches the type of video that you're making.
Tries to make another person doubt their own thoughts, memories, perception, or sanity. This manipulation tactic is subtle and often involves persistent denial, contradiction, or misdirection, causing the victim to question their own reality.
Now download the voiceover by clicking on Export, selecting MP3, and then click on Export again. Now that we have our voiceover ready, we need footage for the video. You can either use anime footage, which you can easily find on YouTube, or you can use AI-generated photos, which I'll be showing in this video. First, go to leonardo.ai, and then click on this featured model called AlboBase AEL. Now click on Generate with this model. Once you're on this page, make sure you have selected 4 for the number of pictures, and then turn off alchemy. Make sure to select the dimensions as 512 by 1024. Now go ahead and use this prompt to generate images. You can modify the prompt to fit your style. Then click on Generate. It will cost you 8 tokens, but you'll get 150 tokens every single day. So feel free to experiment and get better pictures. Once the pictures are generated, you can go ahead and download them. Now let's move on to the last step. Open CapCut and import the voiceover and the images we just created, and then drag and drop the voiceover onto the track. Now you want to remove all the empty spaces in the voiceover to ensure smooth sound. Now you want to add the generated images throughout the video. Next, go to Transitions and then add a transition between every image. I recommend using the left and shake transitions. Next, you want to go to Filters and find the clay filter and apply it throughout the track. Next, you want to click on the Effects tab and then scroll all the way down to Nature. Play around with the nature effects and add an effect to each image. Play the video to make sure the video looks good and appealing. Feel free to modify the effects however you like it. Now highlight all the voiceovers and create a compound clip. Now go to text and click on auto caption, then press create. Once the captions are created, select the font that you want to use and resize the font size however you like it. Next, go to animation and select the bounce out animation under captions. This will only show one word at a time, so it's easier for the user to read. Then go through the video to fix any mistakes. For example, manipulation didn't fit on the screen, so I made it a bit smaller. See, your video is ready to upload on your social media platforms by clicking the export button on the top right. For more tips, subscribe to Think AI and visit my channel. Thank you.